Hey everyone, enjoy the show. Mantiques Network, how you doing today? It's a hot one out here today. This is beautiful. This is a 35 inch, actually 35 and a half inch A&W root beer tin sign. Very, very nice. In great condition. Again, this came from the San Jose collection. Let me hobble over here so you can see what it is. It is a one-sided sign. It's beautiful. If you are looking for something big for your walls, or an A&W fan, or have some kind of diner setup, this is perfect for you.
These are antiques. These are mantiques. Antique, mantique. These guys sell mantiques. This is their store.
We're picking, we're bringing stuff every day, in and out, in and out, in and out. We're shaking and baking.
These are their customers.
Give me the rundown on the GMC.
This lived in a bar in Ghent in Belgium.
Follow Jim and Jeff from 9 to 5 or after hours as they buy, sell, and restore the coolest stuff for the